lovelies, welcome back to my channel, Cruelty Free Models, a place to discover the industry's top cruelty-free and eco-conscious models and industry professionals. We'll also be talking about all things cruelty-free and as always, have a little fun. So today's video is going to be a little bit different than the normal. I'm just testing out to see, what kind of stuff you guys really want to see, what you like to see. And so today will probably be my funnest video thus far, which is going to be a thrift store haul video. One of the main reasons that thrifting is become so popular, not only because you get some really cool unique pieces and pieces from brands that you might not normally be able to afford, but also it's very sustainable. Any kind of reusing of any, especially fashion, any way that you can reuse your clothing in any way, or use someone else's old clothing and just do something new and exciting with it. It's always going to be very sustainable and just better for the environment as a whole. So yes, these are basically some of my favorite pieces that I have collected over the years. I've always been an avid thrift store shopper. I love just thrifting. I can go to 5-6 different thrift stores in one day and not even get tired. I just love it so much. You find such unique pieces. I love wearing stuff that nobody else has. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the first piece that I want to show you guys is this gorgeous skirt. This part here it's velvety, and I think this print throughout is velvet as well. Actually, no, it's not velvet. This is the only part that's velvet, and this print here just feels like cotton or maybe nylon. I'm not sure, but how gorgeous is this print, you guys? This black and white can match with so many things, but what gives this a really cool pop of color is the bottom piece. Oh my God, you guys, look at this. Look at these colors. They're so vibrant, so gorgeous, and there's just so many colors. You could really wear a top, almost any top with these colors in it. So black, white, pink, purple, turquoise. There's even orange and yellow, you guys. So this is super gorgeous. I love it. It's long, so you can wear it in the summer. You can wear it in the spring, in the winter. I mean, you can wear this any season. So I love this skirt. All right. Next up, I have, and with that skirt, you guys, I would probably pair it with like a really cute crop top of some sort. I would probably just go with like a black crop top or something like that. But the sky's the limit with that skirt. So yeah. Okay, so next is another velvety piece, and I know it's not going to look like much at first. Here it is. It's this really beautiful velvety, like forest green color. But what makes this so awesome is the side. Do you see these ruffles? These ruffles are on each side, and it doesn't just stop at the sleeves. Like, it goes down about halfway down this dress. And this again is a one-piece dress, forest green with beautiful ruffles on the sides. It's a velvet, and yeah, it at first glance it looks kind of like dinosaur-y, with the green and the ruffles on the side, but I guarantee you this is super high fashion. It will look so good in a photo shoot, so good even with like a belt. You could even like belt this and it would look super fly. So yes. All right, so that's number 2. I have 4 more to show you guys. So next up, I have this beautiful Indian dress. I don't know what it is, but I am literally obsessed with just Indian clothing. I just think it's just the just the designs, the prints, and it just seems so luxurious. It's usually got some kind of sparkles, and I'm a sparkle girl, so yes, I love this dress. This is one of many Indian dresses that I have. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it, it's got some glittery sequins in each of the flowers. It's so pretty. I love this color of pink. It's like a blush or like a rose pink and gold. So it looks super luxurious, super cute. All right. So now these pants, you guys, I love them so much. Now, and I will tell you, most of these pieces I've had for years. I've had for years. They're my favorites. I've had them for years, but I haven't actually worn them. I haven't had anywhere. I don't know. I just haven't had anywhere really to wear them. And honestly, I don't know why. I should probably just wear them to Walmart. But yeah, check these pants out. They are emerald green pants with a gorgeous black lace over top. How super gorgeous are these freaking pants, you guys? Yes, gorgeous. And I would just simply wear this with like a black top. It could be a black crop top or just a really cute plain black tank top, honestly, and just tuck it. And then you best believe you better wear some heels with this. Yes, super cute. The waist is thin, the bottom's thin out. So yeah, these are super cute. Okay, so we have 2 more outfits to go. I don't know which one I want to show you first. Okay, I'll show you this dress. It's another green. It's a lime green dress. It's very form-fitting and thin. It's somewhat tight. This is a knit. This is a knitted dress. Looks crochet. And look at the freaking neck. How cute! Cute. Yes. And the back is low. See, the back is low. Low back, crocheted. And it's got super high splits on the sides. Yes, I love this dress. And you know, I've actually worn, well, no, I haven't worn this. I've actually used this dress in a photo shoot. If you guys recall, I used to model and then I turned photographer. So I know both sides of the camera. So yeah, I actually have used this in a photo shoot before. And I will show you guys what that looked like. So last but certainly not least, this is probably my favorite. Out of all 6 outfits, this is probably my number 1 favorite. So yes, I don't know which piece of part I want to show you first. Okay, I'll show you the top part first. It's a vest. Vest, look. Here's the back. You guys see? Do you guys see the print on this? They are beautiful pink birds. Swallows, it looks like, maybe. And flowers and branches. It almost looks Japanese inspired, doesn't it? It's so pretty. Just the most gorgeous print, you guys. And if you look closely, there's actually like buildings. There's like actually buildings or houses and mountains and trees and just this, it's like a friggin' scene on this vest. So that's the vest part. And then along with it is this super cute bottom piece right here, same print. But you know what? I've had this for probably 7 or 8 years, and I always thought it was a skirt. But when I tried it on earlier, look at this. Pants, you guys. Freaking pants. Wide-legged pants. Does it get any better than that? No, not at all. So these are some beautiful printed wide-legged pants to go with the vest. So, they're so beautiful. So yes, those are 6 of my absolute favorite high fashion thrift store finds. And you guys let me know if you want to see these in an actual photo shoot. It'll give me a really good excuse for either me to wear them or for models to wear them. But yeah, I would love that. Let me know if you'd like to see that too. All right, so yeah, that concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know which outfit or which find is your favorite and how would you pair it? Like, what would you wear it with? How would you accessorize it? Let me know. Give me some ideas. So if I do this photo shoot for you guys, I can take some of those ideas and I'll give you a shout out. All right, so thank you again. I know this was a little different than the normal video, but let me know if you liked it, if you'd want to see something similar again. And yeah, thanks for hanging out with me again, you guys. I will see you in the next video. Be sure to subscribe, like this video, share it, and leave me a comment in the description. All right?